Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change an Audi A4 headlight bulb. First, prioritize safety by ensuring your vehicle's engine is completely off and cool. Gather your essential tools, which typically include a screwdriver and your new replacement bulb. Remember to wear protective gloves to prevent any oils from your skin from touching the new bulb's glass, which can shorten its lifespan. To access the headlight bulb, begin by opening your car's hood and identifying the headlight assembly. You'll likely need to remove a few screws or clips that hold the assembly in place. Once these are out, carefully pull the assembly forward to gain better access. Then, gently disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the old bulb by pressing its release tab. Now, it's time to remove the old bulb. Depending on your specific model, you might need to twist the bulb counterclockwise or unclip a retaining spring. Gently pull the old bulb straight out from its housing. When installing the new bulb, align its tabs with the slots in the housing and push it in firmly. Then, secure it by twisting clockwise or re-engaging the clip. After the new bulb is securely in place, reconnect the electrical connector. Before fully reassembling, turn on your car's headlights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly. Once you've verified its function, carefully push the headlight assembly back into its original position. Reinstall any screws or clips you removed earlier, ensuring everything is tight and secure for a safe drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.